In this video, I will show you how to delete Windows Update files. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come and right click onto your Windows Start icon in your taskbar at the bottom, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto File Explorer. Now what it's going to do is open up your computer's File Explorer, and from here what you need to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto this PC. From here, click onto the drive where your Windows updates and things like that are installed. Generally that's going to be your C drive, so just double click, and then what you want to do is come and scroll down and double click onto the Windows folder. Now once you're in the Windows folder, scroll down to software distribution, so it's in alphabetical order, so just scroll down to S, and you should see a folder called software distribution. Double click, that's going to take you into that folder, and then what you want to do is double click onto the download folder. Now this is actually where all your Windows Update files are, so this is going to be leftover files from previous updates, which can of course take up a lot of space on your computer. So what you need to do is click onto one of these, hold down Control and press A on your keyboard, and once you've done that you can come and click onto the delete icon at the top. Once you've done that, it's going to go ahead and delete all the Windows Update files from your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So once that's done, you might still have a couple of files or folders left over which can't be deleted, but what you want to do is make sure you right click onto your recycle bin on your desktop and empty your recycle bin as well to fully delete the Windows Update files. So that's how to delete Windows Update files. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.